Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. The impact of excessive carbon in your engine, causes, effects and solutions. The problem of excessive carbon in the engine can lead to a variety of performance issues and potential damage. When carbon buildup occurs within the engine, it can restrict airflow and decrease the efficiency of fuel combustion, resulting in reduced power and responsiveness. Additionally, excessive carbon deposits can lead to increased wear on engine components and potentially cause overheating. Please do subscribe or give us a comment, like or share. We work hard to provide you with good information. Help us to do even more. In this post, we will explore the causes and consequences of excessive carbon buildup in the engine, as well as effective solutions for addressing this common automotive issue. What causes carbon buildup? Carbon buildup in an engine occurs when fuel burns incompletely and leaves behind carbon deposits on the internal components of the engine. This can be caused by several factors, including low-quality fuel, irregular driving patterns, insufficient maintenance, and a faulty oxygen sensor. Additionally, idling for extended periods and short-distance driving can contribute to the buildup of carbon deposits in the engine. Effects of carbon buildup on engine performance. The accumulation of carbon deposits in the engine can lead to a variety of performance issues. Reduced fuel efficiency, loss of power, and rough idling are common effects of carbon buildup. Furthermore, it can lead to increased emissions and potential damage to the catalytic converter. Carbon buildup can also result in engine knocking and decreased acceleration, ultimately impacting the overall performance and longevity of the engine. Regular maintenance and the use of high-quality fuel can help prevent excessive carbon buildup and preserve the engine's performance. Signs of excessive carbon buildup. Excessive carbon buildup in your engine can lead to a variety of performance issues. It's important to be able to recognize the signs of this buildup so that you can address the problem before it causes more serious damage. Engine misfires. One of the most common indicators of excessive carbon buildup is engine misfires. When carbon deposits accumulate on the fuel injectors, it can disrupt the fuel spray pattern, leading to incomplete combustion. This can result in a noticeable shaking or jerking sensation while driving, especially when accelerating. Poor fuel economy. Carbon buildup can also lead to poor fuel economy. As deposits form on the intake valves and fuel injectors, they can interfere with the proper mixture of air and fuel. This can cause the engine to run less efficiently, leading to increased fuel consumption and higher costs at the pump. Rough idling. If you notice that your engine is running rough or vibrating excessively when idling, it could be a sign of carbon buildup. Deposits on the intake valves and throttle body can disrupt the airflow into the engine, leading to irregular idling and an overall decrease in engine performance. Loss of engine power. Excessive carbon buildup can also result in a noticeable loss of engine power. When deposits accumulate on the intake valves and combustion chambers, they can restrict the flow of air and fuel into the engine, reducing power output and overall performance. Understanding these signs of excessive carbon buildup can help you identify potential issues with your engine and address them before they lead to more severe problems. Regular maintenance and cleaning can help prevent excessive carbon buildup and keep your engine running smoothly. Ways to reduce carbon buildup using high-quality fuel and additives. Using high-quality fuel and additives can significantly reduce carbon buildup in your engine. Premium fuel and fuel additives contain detergents and cleaners that help keep the fuel system and engine clean. This helps to prevent carbon deposits from forming and accumulating in the engine components. When choosing additives, look for those specifically formulated to address carbon buildup and fuel system deposits. Regular maintenance and oil changes. Regular maintenance and timely oil changes are crucial in preventing carbon buildup in the engine. Clean oil helps lubricate the internal components of the engine and minimizes friction, reducing the likelihood of carbon deposits forming. It's important to adhere to the manufacturer's recommended oil change schedule and use the recommended oil viscosity for your specific vehicle. Additionally, regular maintenance, including air filter replacements and spark plug inspections, can help ensure optimal engine performance and reduce carbon buildup. Driving habits to prevent carbon buildup. Adopting certain driving habits can also help prevent carbon buildup in the engine. Avoiding frequent short trips and allowing the engine to reach operating temperature can help burn off accumulated carbon deposits. Additionally, driving at higher speeds on highways or using higher RPMs occasionally can help prevent carbon buildup by burning off deposits in the engine. Smooth acceleration and deceleration can also contribute to reducing carbon buildup, as aggressive driving can lead to a more rapid accumulation of deposits. By implementing these practices, you can effectively reduce carbon buildup in your engine, ensuring optimal performance and longevity of your vehicle. Cleaning carbon buildup in the engine using chemical carbon cleaners. Chemical carbon cleaners are a popular method for removing carbon buildup in the engine. These cleaners work by breaking down the carbon deposits and allowing them to be flushed out of the system. They're typically added to the fuel or sprayed directly into the intake system. When using chemical carbon cleaners, it is important to follow the manufacturer's instructions to ensure safe and effective use. Mechanical cleaning methods. Mechanical cleaning methods involve physically removing the carbon deposits from the engine components. This can be done using tools such as wire brushes, scrapers, or abrasive pads. Care must be taken when using mechanical methods to avoid damaging delicate engine parts. It is recommended to consult a professional mechanic for this type of cleaning to ensure it is done properly. Hydrogen carbon cleaning. Hydrogen carbon cleaning, also known as hydrogen carbon cleaning decarbonization, is an innovative method that involves using hydrogen gas to remove carbon buildup from the engine. This process works by introducing hydrogen into the intake system, where it reacts with the carbon deposits, breaking them down into smaller molecules that can be expelled through the exhaust. Hydrogen carbon cleaning is considered an environmentally friendly and effective method for cleaning carbon buildup in the engine. By utilizing these various methods for cleaning carbon buildup in the engine, you can ensure optimal engine performance and longevity. In closing, excessive carbon buildup in the engine can lead to various performance issues and potential damage to the vehicle. Regular maintenance, including engine carbon cleaning, is essential in preventing these problems and ensuring optimal engine efficiency. By following manufacturer guidelines and utilizing professional cleaning services when necessary, drivers can maintain a cleaner, more efficient engine, ultimately extending the lifespan of their vehicle and reducing the risk of costly repairs. Please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.